Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to do this here motor with a holding tank on the bottom. It's a Drummond. It doesn't work. Motors burn up. We're going to tear it apart, see what we got. As you can see, it weighs 27 pounds, 10.8 ounces. So we're going to take this thing apart and let's hope there's some copper in this motor and see what all we get. So let's get started. As you can hear, the fan is going on, but it's like 90 something today here. So yeah, we're going to have to listen to the fan run. But it'll be alright as we get this thing apart. Not one that doesn't want to play. That's stainless, but that's magnetic, so that'll be dirty stainless. This here is stainless, but this here is metal, so we'll have to put that down as dirty stainless. And somehow my magnet got in there. We'll get it out later. These are also magnetic. Have a bolt on the bottom. Or have a nut on the bottom. Those are not stainless either. If they are, they could be stainless. They have slight magnetic to them. We'll get that off somehow. get this off and see if we can get in there. Got that off. There we have the motor off. Now this is all just nasty. This is an old tank. That there looks to be brass. Might try to get that off and get it off later though. Let's get this motor apart and see what we got. Those are nice, these Ameriticians. They're really nice. Allen wrenches you can put on your drill. That's steel. That there all looks like it might be stainless. Plastic junk. cast aluminum. We'll have to get that off so we can get clean cast aluminum and all that. Let's see if it's copper. Fingers crossed. And it is copper. Yes. That is copper. So there's going to be a little bit of work to this. I have to get this out, probably break it or something to get this out. We'll get this out. I'll clean this up here, and when we come back we'll add everything up and see what we get. So stay tuned, and let's hope it's a good bit of copper. Okay, scrapper people, we're back, and as you can see, the steel weighs 18 pounds, 5.6 ounces on all the steel. The stainless steel is 1 pound, 2.7 ounces. I did take and grind this here off, that piece of metal that was on there. I did grind that off, so that's stainless steel, clean stainless steel now. Our insulated copper wire is 0.4 ounces. A little bit of brass we got, 0.3 ounces. Our cast aluminum is 2 pounds, 9.1 ounces. And for our biggie today, which you can see this here can is zeroed, our copper and that's not all of it. We got all this too. You can see our copper is 1 pound, 15.3 ounces, almost 2 pounds of copper out of that. 15.3 ounces. That was really nice, getting all that copper out of that motor. I was grateful it was copper, not aluminum. And nice quick tear down, easy tear down. I'm anxious to see what it comes out to be worth. Hope you like this video. Please stay watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I try to put them out every Saturdays and Wednesdays. Sometimes if I don't make it on the Saturday, I do it the following that Sunday. So just keep watch for a new video, and I'm going to keep them coming, so please stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.